Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. For you who are new, this is John, founder of VSHR Group and CIO. So among you who have not followed it so far, so just want to tell you this is the 5th video of the mind. What is that? Can you remember what is that? You haven't seen the video yet. So let me remind you. It's called mental block. So today is the 5th video of you using mental block, how you can become successful. So we're going through total 20 video, which we're gonna produce for you to give you how to use this mental block to make you successful as a professional or entrepreneurship. Even in your personal life, you can use this mental block and make great decision to make great progress toward your success. So if you have not seen this other 4 of the mental models videos, check it out in the channel, or it will be top right or left side in the video, so you don't miss that as well too. But today, the mental model I'm going to be talking about is this: crush your cherished belief. What does that mean, and how is it going to help you out, right? So in this video, I'm going to explain to you and how you can use this mental model to become successful as an entrepreneur, as a professional. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started.
After working like last 15 years in IT field, this is what I realized. What is IT? Yeah. Sure. Make it happen. Thank you. So let's give a big hand to these student leaders to bring the training to you. Why don't you give a big hand to them?
So we are always thinking about when we're right, and when you get right, we always like to keep using the same approach. But we always forget that there is one key aspect, that there is a way to do things even better. Like an example, you have a professional has solved a particular problem this way. It works, great, but that's absolutely fine. That is a way to solve the problem. So that means he found a tool already to fix that way. But however, if you get another tool to solve that problem in a better way, which is cost effective and time efficient, and also and effort efficient too. So why we don't update the tool and replace this one? Yeah, it can be a little bit sad seeing that one. Oh my God, this was my lovely tool. I have to get it up and get a new one. But however, that's where is the success become more worthy, because you can upgrade the tool. And this is the way people actually forget about it. Like an example, there's a lot of professionals, they think about what bringing them to success. Like an example, somebody did some certain things to become top executives in let's say junior executive, and then they become a manager. So now the next goal is to become from manager to go director. But this is the way the problem happened. What they have done to come from the executive to manager, if you do exactly the same thing, it will take a long time to become a director, because to go from the manager level and go to director, they need a completely different set of skill sets. Even if it's not in the written down in any other HR books, but they need that different level of skill set, and they're doing the same work what they have done to come from executive to managers, and that will not bring them there. So they have to upgrade the tool of working to go from the manager to director level. And unfortunately, 99% company does not train and even doesn't even guide them to go to that manager level to director level. So that's why they keep doing the same way, and they are failing. It takes way too longer to go from this level to that one. So as a professional, you need to figure it out. What brought you to here will not brought you to the next level. So this is the way you have to fix that approaches. You have to find out what are the other things you have to learn. Like an example, working really hard. Be great at aggressive in presentations, but being very great at aggressive in presentations, but now you'll be selling a lot of your idea to the C-suite, becoming as a manager already, or becoming a director, will not be creating a great impact, because they need much more strategic approach rather than very aggressive presentations. And you're gonna keep hobbling around, and your idea will not be sold. You'll go through frustrations, and you will not be promoted because company see that you are not bringing the right value and you're not ready for that role. Well, how often do people hear it about is in corporate that, oh, he's not ready yet. He's good, but he's not ready yet. because he's keep doing the same thing, which make him the manager and not setting the approach correct, replacing his tool to upgrade it to a gearbox to go to the next director level. But now let's talk about the entrepreneurship side. This is the success booster card time. So question of the day: what is your key takeaway of this video so far? Go ahead and comment below the answer. We'll love to see what is the key takeaway. Science said that when you take up a key takeaway and note it down somewhere, you had a 35% chance to be actually doing it in your life to make it value out of it, which is amazing, right? But hang on, 35% is not enough. You need more. And this is the way I'm going to tell you how you can really make it happen. When you make a set of action, a plan that goes to from 35 to 91%, you can really make it happen in your life. So here we go. So from the key takeaway, what is the key action plan you're going to take, which is you learn from the video to your life, make a plan and commit it in publicly and commit into it. And that's what's going to make sure that you got 91% read that is going to really happen to you. You will be able to make it happen and become successfully achieve your goal. And here's the last possible hack. When you announce something, a plan publicly, your 91% goes to 94% to really make it happen in the real life. So go ahead and comment below your plan in the video sections. We would love to see your plan, and we are 100% reply every comments in our channel. So we're going to see your plan, we're going to comment it, we're going to give you a feedback, and we're going to consult you to help you to make your plan to a reality. And that can go to up to 100% reality happens to your life. And that's how you get your action, key takeaway to action plan to success to your life. And you know what? We're also sitting down here to help you and celebrate your success with you. So what are you waiting for? Let's go back to the video, finish it, and we're looking forward to see your action plan. And let's make it happen to your life, because you can do that, right? All the best. Don't forget to make your plan, okay? Don't forget to make your plan. See you soon. An entrepreneur always go, whoa, we're going to do the business. We're going to go around, muscle building, go around, get some two or three people, get a one or two co-founders, start the project. Great. Energy. Just do it. Just do it. Works. But now when you have a team of 5, the way you recruit a team of 5, if you do the same way, your team will not go to 5 to 20. That is a level. So to go from 5 to 20, you need to do a completely other approaches. The tool you use to go from 0 to 5 will not help you to go from 5 to 20 people. The same way, the tool you're going to use to go from 15 to 20, that tool you cannot use to go from 20 to 100. The same way, when you are 100, the tool you use for going from 20 to 100, the same approach, you will not go from 100 to 500. And that's the way entrepreneurs are making a lot of mistakes. They keep using the old principle because they saw it was being very successful. Even myself, I was trapped. Like an example, 6 years back when I was founding VSHR Group, I was thinking about the way set up the business, the nonprofit can be set up that way. Well, it could be the same way too. People will take the ownership by themselves, and my team started to grow from 0 to 20. But then I start to understand that, oh my God, the thing what I'm doing from 0 to 20, I have to do different to go from 20 to 50. I have to do completely different way. I have to build different level of skill set. I need to bring different way of recruitment process. I need to build a lot of other process to go from 0 to 50 to 100. Like when the team goes to a few hundreds, 300, oh my God, I completely figured out that I have to do completely different level of approaches to lead this organization. So this is called, you have to crush your cherished belief. You think that the thing really working to make this progress so far, the same thing will not take you to the next level of the checkpost, because you are making progress, right? So you gotta change your approach. And it's basically like you gotta change yourself. Like an example, see yourself as a gearbox, and some of the tool, well, this really works. But after using this one, you figure out that, they found another better tool. It can be more cost efficient. It get the things done faster. It's more accurate, and the ROI is better. So you're going to use this tool and put this back in the toolbox, or maybe even out of the box, so you don't get into it, or you can give it to the people in your team who need that tool so they can keep using that way. So this is the way it matters the most. You gotta see yourself and upgrade. You need to go through a continuous learn and unlearn. What you have learned in the school, all of this learning will not be valuable when you go to an executive first entry-level job. Some of them. But what you have learned in an entry-level job, many things you have to unlearn to go to the manager level job. Same thing, many things you have learned from the manager level job, you have to unlearn to go to the director level. And entrepreneurship, I already told you, when you want to grow your business, when you grow or lead more people, you need to unlearn continuously. And yes, I hell do it all the time. And I wish I had a better brain to learn even faster, because I know the power of learning and unlearning is so important to achieving any success. So you want to become successful, right? You probably want to use this mental model for your entrepreneurship or career life to become successful. If you have any question, go ahead and comment below. If you're trying to implement right now and if you have any problems or any challenges or fall into any situations, you don't know how to do this one, go ahead and comment in the video. I love to give an advice. So myself and my team constantly here giving 24/7 to answer any questions to support. So if you put a request or questions about there, 100% you're going to get a response. And here, one more thing. So in next couple of days, then the next mental model is coming. It's the 6th series of this video series. If you have so, that means you shouldn't miss that one. If you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe right now so you don't miss that video as well too. And here you go. You're a professional or an entrepreneur and you need to be successful. So use these mental models to become successful. And we want to give you a thumbs up. All the best.